Hello, my name is Kit Chatham, and I'm a performer and musician with Cirque du Soleil's Drawn to Life here in Orlando, Florida. I am also a graduate of Southern Utah University and received my master's degree in music technology. Some of the great qualities about Southern Utah University, which affected me personally, is that it offered an online master's program, which not only allowed me to get my master's, but in a field that was unique to other schools. For over the past 20 years, I've been performing and touring all over the world, but I didn't really have the opportunity to get my master's. Southern Utah University provided me with that opportunity. My hope for the future of Southern Utah University is that it continues to push the boundaries of education, continues to innovate and inspire, and continues to cultivate and develop a strong and supportive culture. President Benson, I would like to congratulate you on your appointment and for being the first female president of Southern Utah University. Congratulations. Oh well, as you see, it's time for the show. Gotta go. President Benson, I wish you all the best and rock on.